All right, let's do one quick question. This is question 4. It was also in last year's question paper for AS level students 2024. You're supposed to differentiate this. By this time, I expect you to be able to use the chain rule and not necessarily have to show it, okay? So you're going to have the 5 times the stuff inside, which is 3e raised to the 2x minus 7, and then subtract 1 from that. And then you're going to multiply that by the integral, or integral, my goodness, by the derivative of 3e to raised to the 2x minus 7. And the answer there would be 6, which is the 2 times 3, and e raised to the power of 2x. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and clean that up. The 6 times 5, that gives you 30, e raised to the 2x, and then obviously you write the other stuff as they are there, minus 7 to the power 4. This is basically straightforward stuff that, again, we expect you to be able to do without having any problems. At this level, you should know when you get to paper, when you get to okay, let's just leave it. When you get to the second part of further, you should definitely be able to do this type of differentiation. Now they say hence, which means you are supposed to answer in part A in order for you to arrive at a certain conclusion. And let me just do something over here, because I see that 60 there, and I can take out a 2 there, because it's like 2 times something, all right? So this is the integral of 2 times what? 2 times 30 e to the 2x, and then you have got 3e to the 2x minus 7 raised to the power 4 with respect to x. And I'm going to get rid of that 2 by putting it in front of the integral sign. So that's 2, and I have 30e to the 2x, and then you have 3e to the 2x minus 7 to the power 4 with respect to x. And if you look at this, this is definitely identical, this part over here, right? If you have, if you have to go back, right, the reverse, this is integration, the reverse of integration. You have to reverse by differentiating, and what is it that you got? You have got, what was the original thing? It's this over here. That gave us this. So I'm just going to put that in the place of when I integrate. So I'm going to have 2 outside. Oh my goodness. It's 2. Then obviously, remember I said it was just 3e to the power 2x minus 7 raised to the power 5. That's what it does. And then plus the constant of integration. So that's 2 in brackets 3e to the 2x minus 7 raised to the power 5 plus the constant of integration. That is how that question is supposed to be done. And you're done. You are supposed to realize integration is antiderivative, right? From that 30, from this one here, supposed to realize that. Okay, how do you find the original function? Well, it was given to us. But now, because of that 60 there, it's a little bit tricky for you to see, okay, because of that 60 there, right? But if you see that 60 is 2 times 30, taking the 2 outside, now what you're left with is the same like the original function. Okay, that's it. Well, if you continue giving me those, then I'm just going to stop.